le ciel bleu vole en silence.
Hi, this is Netta. Welcome to my channel. My whole goal for this channel is to help you build a wardrobe and a style that you love so you look beautiful and feel confident every single day. Very excited because it's Black Friday time for Merit, and I'm excited to talk to you about Merit's promotion for Black Friday. This is their only sale of the year. The only sale of the year. If, like me, you wait for Black Friday for for promotions on some of your favorite brands, this is the time. It's here. It's now. So November 21st to the 28th, you get early access the 21st and 22nd. The main bulk of the sale is the 23rd to the 27th, and then last call on the 28th. So you really want to get in there and grab your Merit products while they're 20% off. So you get 20% off individual Merit products during the Black Friday sale. Again, their only sale of the year. So this is a good one. And they are also going to be doing like limited time doorbusters during this whole event. So if you are looking at some of the sets, like maybe the 5-minute warning set or the base set, it's a limited time doorbuster. Like every day there's going to be a different special. So you're really going to want to follow that. You don't need a code. The 20% off discount is going to be applied to your entire shopping cart at checkout. You know that you get free shipping over $40. And you get the free signature bag with every first purchase. So definitely a great time to try Merit. If you've been eyeing it, if you've been watching my tutorials, I know a lot of you are already obsessed with the products like I am. But if you've been waiting to try it, now is the time. So I'm really excited to, first of all, that they're having the Black Friday promotion. Don't forget, if you click on the title of this video, the description box will open up, and I do have a link in the description box. So definitely click on that link to shop Merit, and don't forget, mark your calendars. Like if you're not already marking your calendars for Black Friday, mark your calendars because you're going to want to shop Merit during this promotion. So really excited to be showing you today how I eliminate stress from my face with my makeup routine, my Merit makeup routine. This is an extra stressful time, right? Like not only is it holiday time, which is happy and wonderful and all of the things, but also stressful. But we just had an election yesterday. There's a hurricane coming at my door. So I'm going to show you kind of how I eliminate stress from my face with my makeup routine. And I will tell you, like, this is an important part for me, looking in the mirror and seeing somebody that looks fresh and well rested, even if I don't feel fresh and well rested. That is a big part of how I'm going to approach the day and how I'm going to feel that day and how I'm going to handle the stress and the things that get thrown at me over the course of a day. So that's essential for me. So I start with great skin, like I always do. This product has been really a game changer for my skin. My skin has been really dry and a little bit irritated because I've started my retinoids again, and this is one of the only products my skin can tolerate, and it like soaks it in. So I absolutely will start with the great skin. The second step after the great skin in the morning is always my sunscreen, but today I'm just going to start with the Minimalist. So the Minimalist is a foundation concealer hybrid. It is the easiest way to just even out your skin tone kind of quickly, give you that natural look. What I love about this product is that it really is very blendable and very forgiving. So you can see that this color is called Suede. And sorry, it's called Khaki, and it's a little bit warmer. I'm actually going to consider Suede for the next one. I like the warmth because I feel like my skin tends to be sallow, so I kind of correct it a little bit with this warmer tone. And because the Minimalist is so, like I said, so forgiving and such a natural look, you really do see your skin tone and texture through it. It works, and it works like a charm. So you can get a couple of different colors if you want to do something fancy, if you want to contour, if you want it lighter under your eyes. But for like a natural everyday look, this is all I need. This is all. So you're going to see me glancing over at the mirror. Just make sure I'm not looking crazy. Again, you really can't go wrong with this. Somebody asked me if I had a suggestion for not looking clown-like with your makeup, and I was like, well, you need to use Merit if you don't want to look clown-like, because these products are neutral and they're so sheer and they're so beautiful. You're just never going to get that clown-like effect. So I'm using my Flush Balm in Raspberry Beret. Again, my skin does tend to get sallow, and for me, color on my face means that I look less stressed out, and that's the goal. So here we go. Look at that color. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my highlighter, which I dropped over here. This is the Cava highlighter, and I just want to look awake. I want to look rested. I want to look a little glowy. So I'm just going to do that here. My daughter likes to put the Flush Balm, and did I mention Raspberry Beret was the color I used for the Flush Balm? My daughter likes to put the Flush Balm on her, like this whole area, like on the bridge of her nose and everything too, and that gives a really pretty effect as well. Aww. So just a little bit of a glow with that highlighter. It is not glittery, it is not harsh, it just makes it look like the light is hitting your face in exactly the most magical and perfect way. Okay, so next I'm gonna go with my bronzer in the shade Seine. I love this. This is the best bronzer. I actually had to grab the bronzer, and I'm gonna go a little under my cheekbones and above my cheekbones. I had to grab the bronzer and the brush from my daughter's makeup drawer because these are the best and everyone in my family fights over them. Okay, so there we go. Just a little bit of bronzer on the cheekbones. Now I'm going to do a little bit on my forehead. Again, I'm trying to erase the signs of stress from my face and eliminate the sallow look. And this is going to do it in record time. Okay, so 20% off each of these products. Do not forget to look at click on my link below. Okay, I love that. So that's it. Like that's it. Super, super easy. Now I'm just gonna like define my eyes a little. I'm gonna use the brown 1980. You can go out or up like this, or you can go out. I like to go out. My eyebrows are a little curly, have a couple little eyebrow gaps. So I'm just checking what I'm doing here to make sure applying this properly. There we go. And that's it. It's easy, it's defined, it just fills in any little gaps you have. It gives you a little bit of color. Honestly, if I was going to do just one step to my eyebrows or to my eyes, it would be my eyebrows because I think they're so critical. Next, I'm going to apply the Clean Lash mascara. My eyebrow shade was brown, the mascara is black, of course. And does anyone else make weird faces when they apply mascara? Is it just me? So I love this mascara. My eyelids are really oily, and my mascara really transfers. A lot of other mascaras really transfer onto my lids. This does not budge, but it's also really not irritating. It applies easily. It comes off easily at night. I just love this mascara. It gives you a nice lengthening look without that spidery lashes effect, which I can't stand. So I love that. Next, I'm going to apply the last step. See how easy this was? This is the signature lip in the shade L'Avenue. So this is a nice, deep, rich kind of brown color. It's perfect for fall, winter. And oh my goodness, so pretty. This and the Tiger shade have been my go-tos. Tiger's more like a brick red. L'Avenue is like this really sophisticated brown. I love both of these shades, and that's it. That's my face done. So for those of you who are looking for just that easy, effortless, clean, good for your skin makeup routine that you can carry in your handbag, like you can carry it in your purse, you can carry it, you can keep a little set in your car. It's just so portable. This is the only makeup kit that I travel with, and it's just everything that you need at your fingertips. And like I said, just record time. So 20% off for Black Friday. It's a great deal. 20% off individual products and daily doorbusters. So I'm really excited. I'm going to be stocking up. Let me know in the comments below which product you're excited to try for Black Friday. If you'd like to see more makeup tutorials for skin over 40, over 50, it's different. It's different. We're not applying as much glitter. We're not applying as much texture to our skin, and we really just want that natural, effortless, elegant look every single day. So love you guys. Don't forget to hit like if you like this video. Don't forget to comment. Let me know, like I said, which of these products looks the most interesting to you, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.